Yes, we have this hiring alert section as well in our video session at the end only, and we do provide link for people to apply or to get hired from there. So check that link and do apply and grab the opportunity to get hired. Yeah. So we are like suggesting this 10 minutes strategy for getting your Azure certification. So you can practice this or you can apply this in your workday routine, and you can get your certification clear in 10 days only by spending just 10 minutes in a day. And during this, like we provide or we upload lectures or sessions, you can say, every day. So you just need to go through with them, and you will be able to crack your exam by that. Yeah. So let's continue on this session we will be having today. So the very first question is, your company is planning to migrate all the virtual machines to an Azure pay-as-you-go subscriptions. The virtual machines are currently hosted on the Hyper-V hosts in the data centers. You are required to make sure that the intended Azure solutions use the correct expenditure model. Solution. You recommended to use the scalable expenditure model. Will this solution meet the goals? So your answer will be no only. Next, this is the same questions, only the recommended solution you have they have changed. Now you are suggesting operational expenditure model to like migrate those virtual machines from your Hyper-V hostess. So in this case, your answer will be yes. Next, you are required to deploy an artificial intelligence solutions in Azure. You want to make sure that you are able to build, test, and deploy predictive analysis for the solutions. So solution you have recommended is to use of Azure Cosmos DB. Will this solution meet the goals? Your answer is no for this. Next, now your company Active Directory forest includes thousands of users accounts. You have been informed that all the network resources will be migrated to Azure. Thereafter, the on-premise data centers will be retired. You are required to employ a strategy that reduces the effect on users, and once the planned migration has been completed. So the strategy or solution you have recommended is to sync all the Active Directory user accounts to Azure Active Directory. So will this solution meet the goals? Your answer will be no. Yeah. Now you are required to deploy an artificial intelligence solution in your Azure, and the solution you have provided to use Azure Machine Learning Studio. So in this case, your answer will be yes only. Your company infrastructure includes a number of business units that each need a large number of various Azure resources for each operations. The resources required by each business units are identical. You are required to sanction a strategy to create Azure resources automatically. In this case, the solution you have recommended is using Azure API Management Service. Will this solution meet the goals? So in this case, your answer will be no only. Now it is the same questions, and you need to create Azure resources automatically. Solution here you have recommended to use management groups. So will this solution meet the goals? Your answer in this case will be no. And now it is the same question again. You need to create Azure resources automatically. The solutions you have recommended to use Azure resource management manager templates. So will this meet the goal? So your answer in this case will be yes. And in next question, you are tasked with deploying critical LOB applications, which will be installed on a virtual machine to Azure. You are informed that application deployment strategy should allow for a guarantee availability of 99.9%. So, and you have recommended the solution to use two virtual machine and one availability zone in your strategy. So will this solution meet the goal? No, in this provided solution, it will not. Now, again, it is that availability 99.99% questions means your application should be allow for guarantee availability of 99.9%. And in this solutions, you have recommended to use one virtual machine and two availability zones. So will this solution meet your goal? No, it will not meet your goal. Okay, so after that, completing those questions, we are on the hiring alert sections. So the profile we have to discuss is Android developers, and the experience they have asked for 6 months to 2 years, and or the freshers also who have like undergone with the training of Android system development, so they can also do apply for this. Eligibility they have asked for that BE, BTech, MCA, BSc, all the related to computer science and information technology, they can do apply from there. And skill sets they have asked or looking for is Android actually system development, and then Java, Eclipse, and XML. The expected wages you can expect is between 3.6 to 5.4 LP only. Yeah, so we do post all types of job alerts in our comment section. So to get those links, subscribe to us and watch our all content all through the channel. Thank you.